Hey y'all, I'm here with the Fab Click, talking to you about the solid monthly subscription box and my dainty floral that just dropped this January. You get 3 yards of fabric for $25. Every month it's different. It's a nice surprise to have. This month there's this really awesome oversized waffle knit. It comes in this beautiful true gray. It's not too blue, it's not too yellow. It's got a decent amount of horizontal stretch, but not too much vertical. And it also comes in this gorgeous terracotta color. So don't forget to sign up for the monthly subscription box.